Hey guys, so I hope you're all having an amazing day. For today's video, I wanted to share with you guys my experience with under eye filler. I feel like this is something that I never really knew was a thing until maybe a year or two ago, and now I feel like it has either become more popular or people are just more open to talking about it. So the purpose of this video is solely for educational purposes in case you are interested in this procedure. I'm in no way saying that you need to go out and change anything about yourself. I don't need to change anything about myself. I think everyone is fully entitled to doing with their bodies whatever they want. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me when I go get the procedure. I've already had it done, but I will insert the clips, and I'll also show you guys some before and after videos as well as a photo, and just share with you guys my thoughts on it. So I saw Dr. Kumar at CüR Laser for this, and I've been seeing him for almost 4 years. He does my lip filler. I have seen 2 other doctors for touch-ups in the past 4 years, but I've gone to him almost every single time. I'm going to insert the footage now of me at the appointment, and then I will chat with you guys after.
What bothers you most is this hollow under the eye, right? Anytime I inject, there's anywhere with a needle, there's always a risk of bleeding and bruising. Most people will bleed, I just wipe blood away. Most people don't bruise.
Okay.
But bruising is always a possibility. The product that I use is hyaluronic acid. It's a gel. It's what we use, lips, cheeks, everywhere. It's sugar and water. Your body makes this. Now there are different thicknesses. Under the eyes, I use a very thin one.
So it's different than what would go in the lips?
Then go in the lips. The lips use a much thicker one. If I used the thick one under the eyes, it would come out very bumpy. If I used the thin one in the lips, it just wouldn't lift up enough. It just would kind of just be all kind of watery, wouldn't do anything.
Is this gonna hurt?
I'm gonna put some numbing on. It hurts 0. I also put some cold on. The cold numbs the skin, the numbing cream numbs the skin.
And then you were saying people usually do multiple, like you come back?
Yeah, so the product is made of sugar and water, and it attracts water like a sponge. Every 1 drop of product can potentially attract 2 drops of water. And I learned to do this on myself. I practiced in the
inject on yourself?
Yeah. So I'll show you the most common side effect.
You were saying just like the little red
That's
post.
this picture I sent you.
Okay, yeah.
This is the most likely thing. Side effect. Most commonly, nothing will happen. I look straight ahead. This is cold. It doesn't hurt. So just keep your eyes open. Still undercorrected. You can see there's room to do a little bit more, but I don't want to. Now we're going to let the water come. It may not come, maybe, and the product is a liquid. It's going to flatten out, so it's going to flatten. The water's going to, so it's going to go up and down. So let it do what it's going to do, and in a few days I bring it back and I add more. Results for this will last 1 to 2 years. I have many patients, even at 2 years, don't need anything more.
Okay, so this is right after the procedure. I just got into my car. I was nervous that there was gonna be a lot of bruising and swelling. So I am so happy that there's hardly any marks. There is a little bit of redness and darkness just from like the needle going in, but overall, looks pretty good. I was nervous that when I smiled, I was gonna get like a bulge from the filler, but as you can see, it looks super natural. So I'm gonna be going back in a few days and he's gonna do a checkup. He said sometimes the filler will dissolve, sometimes it will attract more water. So you kind of just have to let it figure itself out and then he can correct anything that changes. But yeah, I'm super happy and it looks really natural and I just feel like I look more awake and fresh. I will check back in with you guys in a few days and we will see the final results. Now we are back to current day. It has been over a week and I did have a follow-up appointment scheduled for a few days after, but I didn't end up going because I felt like I didn't need anything done. I didn't have any side effects except for I had 2 little red dots just from where the needles had gone in. Those went away after a couple days. I didn't have any swelling or bruising, and I didn't feel like I needed it to be touched up. But this is what it looks like with makeup on my face. I have some concealer on, but I will show you guys clips of me from this morning where I don't have makeup on so you guys can fully see. I do think that this procedure is super beneficial for people who have eye bags, or if you have like really sunken in eyes. I just feel like for me personally, I didn't have anything dramatic before, so obviously the before and after is not going to be crazy. However, I am super happy with how it turned out. I think it's a very subtle and natural change, and I'm very happy that I didn't have any side effects, because I thought there was going to be downtime and I was going to have like these extremely like swollen eyes for a few days and I wouldn't be able to leave the house. So that was really nice. Also, pain wise, I would give it a 2 out of 10. Not even really for pain, it just feels kind of weird because you can feel the filler going like in, and there's like a little bit of pressure that kind of comes along with any injections. I think that is everything. Definitely leave questions below if you feel like I left something out. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it, and if you have not subscribed already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another video. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys all in my next one.